we're doing your calories.
Well done, ladies. By the way, just remember, everybody, it starts with your mind and the body will follow. And so it appears the same goes for French Montana.
Oh yeah, that's right, kid. He's known to make a statement with his music, and now French Montana is making a statement with a healthier new attitude and body. So get ready as French takes us on his new fitness journey.
I want to talk about this transformation of yours because we've seen the photos. It is amazing. The abs. When did you decide, you know what, I want to take my health a little more seriously?
It got to the point last year where, I looked at myself and it was just like I was shaped like a Sprite can, like I got,
I'm delicious, but I see what you okay, I can have a
no, I had let go throughout all the work and everything, going city to city, country to country. It's like you chase the money and you stop caring about your physical being, so I took time out.
French usually
money isn't everything.
Ramadan, a time when Muslims fast from
health is wealth
for an entire month. But he noticed the results of his detox were so good, he kept it going.
Once I did it past that 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4, it was like, okay, now I see a real big difference. Yeah, but the best thing I ever did was not stop. Stay dedicated.
In addition to intense workouts, French changed up his diet, cutting out all sugar and saying goodbye to alcohol.
So I'm doing a lot of new things for the first time in my life, which I feel like is a new chapter of my life. I mean, I've seen a lot of people in my line of business that's rich and sick. Rich and not rich and health.
Sick.
Rich in health
not
is better
in
than
health.
being rich with money. You know what I'm saying?
French isn't just working on himself this year, he's also working on new music. He recently dropped his mixtape Coke Boys 5, which stands for Creation of Kings Everywhere.
This is like a series of mixtapes that we made for like 10 years now. Me and all my partners. To everybody that's on here, I think it was a special moment making it. That we pointed out in the major label.
For the people at home who need to stay motivated, who maybe want to start their own journey, what's the biggest tip just when it comes to motivation and mindset?
It's just discipline and time, patience.
It was so much fun talking to him, and we all know that quarantine gave us the time, but discipline and patience, that's the tough part. But we can do it, right, Sam?
We absolutely can. And if you are looking for more motivation, look no further than 24-year-old Jessica Beniqua's truly inspiring story. After losing 170 pounds and beating cancer, Jessica is using her online platform of more than 700,000 followers to help others kick those unhealthy habits.
You just felt like, let's get up, let's get off on the couch, let's do something, no more binging.
I would literally I would have I remember a box of crackers and cream cheese, and I would just sit there and eat it while watching my show.
After spending so much time in front of the TV, Jessica decided to take control of her life and her weight.
I was like, okay, I'm done feeling the way I'm feeling, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start, and I just started.
Jessica started with her diet, cutting out fast food, then she began exercising.
I didn't step on the scale up until the first month of exercise, but whenever I first stepped on the scale, I was 320.
Over the next 17 months,
Wow.
Jessica shed an astonishing 170 pounds. Now she's a beast in the gym. But then a huge setback. Jessica found a lump under her arm.
2018, your life does change.
I found a lump. The first thing you do is Google. Google says cancer, and I'm like, no, it's not cancer.
Jessica went to the doctor and eventually learned it was cancer, stage 4 Hodgkin's lymphoma. Jessica was only 22 years old.
Nobody was expecting it. I wasn't expecting my mom, my sister, nobody was expecting me to have cancer. It just came so bam.
Jessica continued to work out when she could.
I didn't lose all that weight to just get cancer and just be sick. I wasn't letting that happen.
Jessica rang this bell after completing her final radiation treatment, a symbol that her fight was over. She's now celebrating 1 year cancer-free. Now Jessica's sharing her journey with her hundreds of thousands of Instagram followers, and her bravery has helped others.
I've had people come to me telling me, because of my diagnosis, they, felt something strange, so they went and got checked. That is motivating. Whether they know it or not, they're helping me.
That's awesome to see. And yeah, those followers, you need sometimes a community of people to help keep you accountable. Good for her.